morning. Today we will discuss the lesson 2 of health component of MAPE. But before that, we will review first our lesson yesterday. Okay, this is our lesson yesterday. What do you call today's food group? And what are the components of food pyramid? Okay, very good. Who can give 2 examples of Go foods? Very good, Noel. How about 2 examples of Grow foods? Okay, very good also, Larcy. And the last is we have the Glow foods. Okay, very good. I'm happy that you still remember our lesson yesterday. This morning, we will discuss this food example. First picture. And another one. Are these food important? Yes, it is important. And why do we need to eat this food? Okay, very good, Ricky. You got the correct answer. And our topic this morning is about the nutrients and right foods during adolescence. Before we will proceed to our discussion, I have prepared an activity to guide you for our lesson. The title of this activity is Define Me. I will distribute words written in a bond paper and its meaning. All you need to do is to find the meaning of the word and connect each other. The criteria for this activity are the following. First, we have the content, means correct meaning. We have 20 points. Presentation, how your group present your answer. And if we have 20 points, and cooperation, we have 10 points. We have 50 points all in all. I will group you into 3. This is first group, second group in the middle, and third group on the left side. You have 5 minutes to do it. Your time starts now. Okay, time is done. Post your answer on the board. Okay, we will check your output. Okay, group 1. Carbohydrates, correct. Meaning, substance found in certain foods that provide your body with heat and energy. Okay, very good, group 1. You got 50 points. We will proceed to group 2. Group 2, they have calcium. Calcium is a substance that is important in people for strong, healthy bones. Okay, very good, group 2. You got also 50 points. Last group, we have group 3. Their nutrients is fiber. Fiber is a substance that helps digest food. Another 50 points for group 3. Very good, group 3. Okay, before the discussion, we have another activity. This is activity number 2. The title of our activity is List Me. The group is still the same. Each group will list 8 examples of foods under its nutrients. Group leaders, please come forward to pick your topic. Okay, the criteria for this activity, we have correct and complete means 8 food sample in each nutrients. You will have 15 points. If you have only 6 to 7 correct answer, the points is 13. 4 to 5 correct answer, the points is 11. And 3 correct answer and below, you will get 7 points. Okay. You have 5 minutes to do your activity. Your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Post your answer on the board. Okay, we have group 1. The nutrients picked by group 1 is calcium. The food sample are the following. We have avocado, cabbage, orange, tofu, milk, coconut meat, cheese, green leafy vegetables. Very good, group 1. You have 15 points. Group 2, their nutrients is iron. We have food sample, apple, chicken, egg yolk, liver, oyster, red meat, shrimp, tomato. Oh, group 2, you missed 1. You got only 13 points. How about group 3? We have group 3, protein. Food sample of protein, we have avocado, cabbage, corn, peanut, egg, broccoli, tomato, milk. Very good, group 3. You got 15 points also. Okay, so we will proceed to our main topic. And our topic is the nutrients and right foods during adolescence. So we have 5 examples of nutrients needed by the adolescents. So first, nutrients. First, we have on the first column, we have nutrients. On the second column, we have the meaning. And on the third column, we have food sample. The first nutrients, we have calcium. Calcium is a substance that is important in people for strong, healthy bones. So calcium is for our bones. The food sample are the following. We have avocado, cabbage, coconut meat, okra, onions, orange, tofu, dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, and green leafy vegetables. Number 2 nutrients, we have iron. Iron is a substance that occurs naturally in the blood. The good source of iron, we have apple, chicken, dark chocolate, egg yolk, liver, nuts, oyster, potatoes, red meat, shrimp, and watermelon. Number 3 nutrients, we have protein. Protein is a macronutrient that is essential to building muscle mass, which is commonly found in animal products. The good source of protein are the following: avocado, broccoli, brown rice, cabbage, cauliflower, corn, cucumber, egg, green pepper, milk, peanut, butter, and tomato. The number 4 nutrients is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is a substance found in certain foods that provide your body with heat and energy. So if we need more energy, we need also to eat more carbohydrates. The good source of carbohydrates are avocado, asparagus, banana, beans, bread, corn, melon, nuts, papaya, potatoes, rice, sweet potatoes, and whole grains. And the last nutrients is fiber. Fiber is a substance that helps digest food. So we need to eat food rich in fiber so that we can avoid the indigestion. So the good source of fiber is or are apple, avocado, cabbage, carrots, eggplant, grapes, lettuce, mushroom, oatmeal, and pineapple. Okay, any question to our topic? If none, I have prepared questions to test your retention. Please read the direction. Okay, finished? So I will give you 5 minutes to answer our assessment. Finished 1 to 4 so that we can proceed to number 5. Okay? Okay, time is up. Exchange your paper with your seatmate and we will check your answer. Okay, number 1. Please read Noel. And the answer is? Okay, very good. Letter D. Number 2, Rhea. Please read. And the answer in number 2, Rhea? Very good. Letter C. Number 3, Agostina. And your answer in number 3, Agostina? Very good. Also, letter B. And number 4, Apostol. And your answer in number 4, Apostol? Very good. Letter C. And number 5, we have Alvin. And your answer in number 5, Alvin? Very good, Alvin. The answer in number 5 is letter B. Okay, who got 5 points? Very good. 4 points. 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. Most of you got the correct answer. And we reached the 80% passing score. For your assignment, please read Noel. Okay, very good, Noel. Okay, thank you for listening and I hope that you learned a lot from our lesson this morning. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, class.